Okay, teachers, I got a cool new tool available to you in our Team Eureka. So when you go and you log into your Team Eureka on your Google page or wherever from your mail, you will see that you've got this new plus U up here. Once you activate it, it'll put your name there. This is called Google Plus, and it's going to allow you to do Hangouts, which are chats, video chats, where you can share your screen. So let me show you how to get started. Click on the plus U, and it will give you 3 simple steps that you can kind of go through, and some of them you can come back to and add things on. All right, the first one is just some general information about yourself. So you got your name and how you want your name to show up, and then your gender and your birth date. And then you have to understand that if you have a Picasa, it's going to link your Picasa account with this, and so that's something you want to do. And you can upload a photo now or put a photo in later. It's really a good idea to have a picture so people know that it's the right you that they're connecting to, because this is the world out there and there are more than one Rob Reynoldses. Go ahead and click the upgrade button. Oops, got to select that. Forgot to do that. And there we go. Can't have the word temporary in there. And once I get that in correctly, then it creates my account for Google Plus. This is a trial account I'm creating on, so it's slightly different. From there, it takes you to the next step, which is adding people. So it'll show people suggested here, and if it's someone you recognize, like my school, Team Eureka self, you can just click add there, and it will pop up and let you choose what group of people you want to call this, so you can create new circles. I might want to create one called teachers, for example, and I could create that, and it puts it into that circle. And as you're walking through, it'll always give you some additional suggestions for how the program works. So now I've got Rob Reynolds in my teacher circle, and I can continue to add more people and search for people, but I can come back and do that later. So I click continue, and then it says there's all these other interesting pages you can follow, and again, you can come back and do that later. So just click continue, and it says you're going to be lonely because you only have one friend in your circle, but go ahead and click continue at this point. Now it takes you to your personal preferences page, where you can put information about where you work, what your job title is. This is all just information that helps people identify that they are adding the right person to their circles when they want to connect with you. So it's, like I said, good idea to get a picture in there. You can either upload an image or just take a picture with your camera on your computer. Once you've got that done, just go ahead and click finish, and your profile is all created. And you'll notice now that you have a plus with your name in it, and anytime you want to go there, it will take you to your Google Plus. This is a little overview. You can take a look at some of those things, or just continue on to your Google Plus. And now that you're logged into your account, you're on your home page, and some of the cool things you might want to do is start a Hangout where you can do a video chat with someone else, and I'll put together another video tutorial to show you some of the things you can do with that, or you can just go exploring on your own. So check it out, get yourself logged in. It'll be a great tool for us to do some distance learning and support